You are the best thing that's ever happened to me, period. God has a sense of humor because I used to say I'd never date a coworker or a nurse. Little did I know I would find the love of my life in a place I said I would never look.
So when you first have a daughter, you realize, how precious she is and, how beautiful she is. And then you start thinking about how many shotguns to buy and, how to protect your daughter. And, they say that the father's biggest worry is what kind of man she's going to bring home. And after meeting Richard, I realized what a wonderful guy he was. And I watched him display the love of Christ. And I just watched him with my daughter, and I knew he cared for her.
Family and friends, we have come together in the sight of God to join Richard and Athea.
The first time I met Richard, I knew that he would fit right in. I was so impressed that Athea found someone who planned outrageous surprises, loved strangers wholeheartedly, and gave so generously to others, just like she does.
By the power vested in me by God, the church, and the state of Florida, I now pronounce you man and wife. So the time you've all been waiting for, Richard, you may now kiss your bride.